Whoa, 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 whoa. Trying to keep you as still as possible. Little buddy. Oh, that probably scared the hell out of you. My bad. Come on. I'll take you over here to the forest. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay. I don't want to take you too far in there because lots of predators and stuff. You're a cute little buddy. Is this too high? All sorts of crazy things. Yeah, it's too high for him. You're a good guy. Good boy. Where do you want to go? Huh? Here you go. I found him in my backyard. And I don't know what to do with him. He doesn't want to fly off. I got him on this bridge. He's so cute. But I don't want him to fall. And he's like scared a little bit. You scared, buddy? Don't be scared, okay? I love birds. I'll put him right down here. All right, we're going to go down, okay, buddy? Okay? There you go. All right, one little bump. There you go, buddy. All right. He's just going to stand. Maybe I should give him some water or something. You're welcome. You're welcome, little buddy. You want some water or something? I can go and get you some water. So maybe you can fly away. But I just don't want you to be around my work site. I'm working over here. And yeah, I don't want you to get hurt. Little birdies. Or hurt somebody. Oh, your family's up there.